meet Jello, Jed, and Lou, three freshmen on a mission to either tell the truth or lie for the entire day. They each had to pick a role, Truthteller or liar. And here's the kicker, Truthtellers, well, they can't lie, and liars, they couldn't tell the truth if their lives depended on it. They'd never lie to you about how many fingers you're holding up. So there they were, just chilling, looking suspicious as ever. So naturally I had to find out who was who. So I asked Jello if he was a truth teller or a liar. But just as he was about to answer, Jello turned his back in this mysterious, totally unnecessary move. So I had no clue what he actually said. So I asked Jed what Jello had just said. Jed came closer, whispered, and told me that Jello claimed to be a truth teller. I was still trying to process all that when Lou jumped in and said that Jed was lying. And that brings us to the question at hand. Is Lou a truth teller or a liar? Now, before we look into the solution, I really appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe. And hey, feel free to try this puzzle on your own. To figure out if Lou is lying or telling the truth, we need to walk backward and figure out what Jello actually said. And as you'd expect, Jello's answer depends on whether he's a truth teller or a liar. So let's say Jello is a truth teller, and of course he tells the truth. In that case, Jed's statement will be accurate, and that will make Jed a truth teller too, making Lou's claim that Jed is lying totally false. But what if Jello is a liar? Well, if Jello were lying, it will make sense that he'd claim he's a truth teller, right? And Jed's statement will still be accurate. This will make Jed a truth teller, meaning Lou's accusation about Jed is again a lie. So as you can see, in both cases, Lou's story doesn't add up, meaning Lou has to be a liar. If you enjoyed cracking this puzzle with me, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've got a solution or theory, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear how you tackled it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.